Welcome to Buckman's ECHOWISE demonstration. During this demo, you'll see our patented passive sonar measurement technique in action. Our ECHOWISE technology is designed to accurately and repeatedly monitor and control the effects of entrained gases on separation processes. In the industrial market, ECHOWISE is the first safe, reliable, and repeatable method being used for non-intrusively displaying entrained gas content inside liquids transferring or being held in process pipes, tanks, and reaction vessels. In this demo, we'll open the sensor unit so you can easily see where the reliability originates. During the process, ECHOWISE does not come into contact with any fluids. It has no moving parts and nothing to fail. The unit simply hugs the pipe and listens to the process energy. During this process, ECHOWISE instantaneously tracks and reports the entrained gas content added by an air sparger to the fluid housed in a fixed volume plexiglass cylinder. The markings on the cylinder wall show a reference point for the volumetric change in the fluid caused by the entrained gas present. Each centimeter of height represents 1% change in entrained gas in this 100 centimeter column of water. The information is transmitted via various communication paths at the customer site. Contact Buckman to learn more about how ECHOWISE can reliably control how gas influences your process.